We're here in Nashville. We want to shoot a property with our newest Giraffe Pro camera. So we're gonna do a little experiment. We're gonna capture it twice. Once with a single scan, which is perfect for just floor plans and virtual tours. And the second time we'll shoot it with double scan, so we get these amazing ocean spot videos. So let's just jump straight to the result. So this is the virtual tour I created with a single scan flow, which is our fastest flow at the moment to capture the media of the property. And looking at the property, honestly, wow, it's quite a quirky house. I don't know, how would you even label this style? To me, it feels like a millennial mixed with steampunk, with this kind of speakeasy energy vibe. I quite like it, and if you're also into these moody, darker interiors, I think this is the place for you. So the house is roughly 1,800 square feet, and that's excluding the rooftop or the terrace. In the mini-map of the property, those dots you can see are the places we put the camera down. In general, 1 or 2 scans per room, one outside of the porch and also on the balcony and terrace, so we get a good overall feeling in the virtual tour. In total, I did 30 scans. One scan with our latest firmware is roughly 30 seconds in a well-lit environment. But as you see, this property is a bit on the darker side, so the camera adjusts automatically the exposure time to compensate for it. So in practice, it took us roughly 35-45 seconds per scan. So when it comes to the total capture time, here's the breakdown of this property. So as I said, it was 1,800 square foot property and it took me around 30 scans. Scanning time alone was 20 minutes, but then I also need to go out of the room and come back, so I don't want to be in the shot of while the scan is happening. So that's another 15. And in the end, we also captured still images of the entire place, and that was another 10 minutes. So in total, using this single scan flow plus the still images in the end was 45 minutes. So in this 45 minutes on-site time, in the end we get virtual tour, floor plan, point cloud data, property website, and still images, which is pretty good all-around media package of the property. What I especially like from kind of key features to highlight is the blue sky replacement for all the panoramas and stills. Because during the capture, it was actually quite gray and rainy. And as you see in the footage, it's all being fixed and replaced automatically. So that's fantastic. Another especially great thing to kind of highlight that we did all this using just one camera. You don't need separate equipment for stills, separate for scanning, etc. So that's very convenient and great and unique about this Giraffe product. If you're a photographer that requires capturing multiple properties per day, this kind of flow is that I would choose because you can easily manage 4 similar size properties per day without starting to worry about battery life or the capacity of your hard drive. Now, let's say you want to get more value out of this property, right? And you have a bit more time on your side. Let's look at the double scan flow, which enables multiple video type generation. The one I especially like is this new one called the Speedram drone, which quickly zips around the property in one go and has a really cool dynamic effect. It's the same setup, same equipment, but we are now scanning with double scan mode and placing the scans kind of in more frequent positions. We want to make sure that we capture all the details here. So sofas and everything has been captured from multiple angles. So in the end, the video is great. And this is where also the double scan mode helps us a lot, because we capture it at the same time on 2 different heights, so extra perspective, extra data. If you look again once on the mini-map, you can notice that yes, we did more scans per room. And as I said, we need more data, more angles to cover everything for the videos to look good. So for this property, I ended up taking 64 double scans. Each double scan normally takes around 60 seconds in a well-lit environment. However, as this property was on the darker side, it was around 90 seconds because camera adjusted exposure time according to the light settings. So the total capture time using double scan flow was 2 hours for this property, which actually I think is pretty good considering we'll get the videos for entire property, and we intentionally went for this thorough scanning in every single room. But here's a neat trick. You can actually combine both flows in a single property capture. You could use the single scan, for example, for the entire property, but for the key areas where you actually want videos, go for the double scan and this double scan flow. So, for example, here, if it was up to me, but I have a limited time, I would add double scans in this living and kitchen area. Let's say roughly 10 extra double scans for those areas. Yes, it would add a little bit more capture time, but it would just be like 10 to 15 minutes. So I would still be under 1 hour of entire capture time. So personally, I think the hybrid flow is great because it's like a best of both worlds. You get the speed and quality, and you also get the video coverage in the most key areas. So that's great. When it comes to the processing and editing for both flows, it's pretty straightforward. After the capture, I just upload everything and it goes directly to the servers, and the processing happens automatically by Giraffe team. At this point, you don't need to do anything, you just wait. Roughly, images come back in a couple hours, but these more complex assets like floor plans, virtual tours, and videos, they still come within 24 hours. So that's pretty great for me. So that's overall the results of our experiment in this quirky natural property. Here's my take on it. If you need speed and volume, go for the Flow 1. If you need videos and you have a bit more time on your hand and you want to make the most value out of this property, go for the Flow 2 or hybrid, so you also get these videos. It's really up to you, depending on your preferences and time on your hand. If you want to know more about Giraffe Pro camera that we used during this experiment, check the link in the description.